Today I'm going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it's a $20 subscription fee. You'll get a personal stylist, you'll fill out a style card, and decide exactly, let them know what you look for in a particular style and what your style is. I have a referral code down below. If you click on that, you get $15 on your first box, and I also get $15, and then I'm able to do more of these reviews for you. So if you like these videos and you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down in the corner. If you want to see this unboxing, please stay tuned. What you get in the box is your envelope here. It has your little hello style card, and I'll see if my stylist is Kimberly, and then the price sheet here, and then also your return label bag. Whatever you don't want, you can send back. All right, so let's see if my stylist is still Kimberly, and here's the style card. And no, it's Michelle now. I did have Kimberly for a while, but something must have happened. Here is my burrito, I guess you would call it. Let's see on this side. Wow, that looks really nice. I asked for maxi dresses, so it looks like they did send me a bunch of dresses. So let's get to the try on. The first item is right here. It is a lightweight dress here. Oh, that's really cute. I kind of like the pattern. It's different. So it looks like a shift dress, but let's see what the description is. Find the tag. And on this side here, or one of the sides, I'll have myself in the outfit, and you can see what it looks like. It is Lava Palilla knit dress, and it's black and white, and a size extra small. It's really cute. It feels really nice, so we'll try that on. Next item here is like a off-the-shoulder type of dress, and it has this little thing at the bottom here. It's really cute. So let's see here. Verse Mandy off-the-shoulder knit dress, and it's black, and it's an extra small. All right. Next is this dress. It's Pixley. It's all black, and it has a little design on it. I don't know if you can see that. Really cute. And there it is. Be nice for work. And let's see what that is. That is Pixley Florenza textured knit dress. Size extra small. Okay, next item. Let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like a nice maxi dress. Very cute. There is your pattern. And it's pretty long. It looks like it has a cut up the side, but on the try on, we'll see that. And let's read the description. Khalil Marcella knit maxi dress in a size extra small. All right, and then next item here. It looks like a black maxi dress. Oh, I like this back. It's really cute. Very cute here, and then it bunches, and then it's really long, and then it cuts again up the side. So let's read that. And that's Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. It's the mandolin knit maxi dress in size extra small. So let me read the prices for you. So the textured Pixley dress here, this dress here, $74. The knit dress, Lapella. Actually, the Mixed by Hawthorne, 41 Hawthorne, this all black maxi dress is $48. Let's see what this is. Kalia Marcella knit maxi dress, $58. Verse Mandy off the shoulder knit dress, this one here, right here, is $48. And then this one here is the lapella knit dress, and that one is $58. Okay, so the total is $286. Then if you buy all 5, you get $71.50 off. The order total is $286. My styling fee $20 off, and then the total will be $194.50. All right, so I'll let you guys know down below what I keep. If you like these 10 videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So I just wanted to come back and tell you that I'm going to be keeping this dress here by Kalia, the Marcella knit maxi dress. This one fit me the best, and I can wear it to work. It's more versatile. I can wear it to work and going out. So that's what I decided to keep. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.